Some cabinets sit in the quiet corners of old rooms, beneath slanted ceilings and behind curtains faded by years of moonlight. Inside are things that were too lovely to throw away and too mysterious to explain. Violet glass bottles, bundles of dried lavender, keys without labels, candle stubs, pressed flowers, old notes, and small relics whose stories have gone soft around the edges. In this forgotten apothecary, every bottle seems to remember a hand that once held it. Every page carries a stain of candle smoke and time. The roses have dried but not lost their beauty. The crystals still catch the light. The old shelves still whisper of quiet rituals, midnight remedies, and the kind of magic that lives in memory, paper, and ink. Amethyst Relics and Rituals is a Gothic vintage journal kit filled with smoky purples, aged parchment, and old apothecary details, dried florals, candles, bottles, skulls, crystals, and little pieces of ritual-inspired ephemera. This kit includes 28 pages designed for creating a moody, romantic, witchy-style journal with a soft, antique feel. You'll find journal pages with warm parchment textures, Gothic borders, candlelit scenes, old bottles, dried lavender, roses, skulls, and apothecary shelves. There's also background pages with amethyst wash, vintage patterns, botanical details, and aged paper textures that can be used for layering, collage, pockets, tags, and extra writing space. This collection would work beautifully for any Gothic-style journal, grimoire-inspired project, or any project that needs a little candle smoke and amethyst tucked into the pages. I hope you enjoyed looking through Amethyst Relics and Rituals, now available in my Etsy shop, and for my EU supporters, it's now available on Gumroad. The links will be in the description box.